Hello, my name's Rolly and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Life has been lifing. But let's get right into it. So tonight I'm going to be sharing with you how I double cleanse my face before I go to bed. It's about 9 o'clock and I'm ready to start my nighttime routine. So as you can probably see, my face is quite dirty. I've been in the sun, I've been sweating, and I've been wearing sunscreen, and I've had a stressful day. It happens. Having said that, my nighttime routine when I'm cleansing my face is a time for me to just give myself some self-love, to step back from the stresses of the day, to wash all the stress and the dirt and the sunscreen off my face. So it's a 2-method cleansing routine. It's not just once. And you know what, right? I have found that since I have started double cleansing my face has become brighter without even having really added anything to my routine. So I'm going to show you how I double cleanse my face. So it's not yet, from now on, you're not just going to wash your face once, you're going to wash it twice. Now, the first step in the double cleansing is using the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil, right? I'll put it in the description box below. So you would have washed your face, or I beg your pardon, you would have washed your hands, right? You now squirt a little bit. This is an oil-based cleanser. You rub it on, and now you rub it on the face. Oh my God, this feels so good. And it actually feels like what's it called? This particular one smells like you're in a spa. So you know what this does? This first step in the cleansing, what it does is it breaks down. If you're wearing makeup, it first breaks it down. And I've been wearing sunscreen, and sunscreen, what people don't realize is sunscreen, it's really hard to break down. So when you rub it in, I can actually feel the grains coming off. And you see my face is already looking cleaner. So it removes the sweat, the sunscreen, any sebum, any stress. It's removing it from my face. You can feel that. And when you're doing this, just take time. Don't rush. I want you, these two things, these headbands, I'll show you what they're used for in a minute. Just in case you want to wash, you go on her wrists. So it already, can you see? It already looks cleaner, right? So once that's done, you now wet it because you need to emulsify it. So I put my hand in some water and then I wash it. So the wristbands are to stop the water from dripping down. So now I'm going to, see, it emulsifies that oil. So when you do this, it breaks down all the makeup, all that foundation, right? And then, oh God, it feels so clean already. Stress gone. This is so lovely. This is beautiful self-care. So now that I've emulsified it, I'm going to wash this off, and then we're going to come in for step 2. Yeah. So I've washed off the oil. Can you see? It's already looking cleaner. Now, the second step in the cleansing routine is to now go in with the cleansing foam, right? This is the Anua cleansing foam. It's got Heartleaf in it, which calms. So this, you're going to foam this up, and then this will remove any other grime. So you do this, wash it, you clean your face. Wow, this feels so good. You clean it. Just take your time and clean it. This has got salicylic acid in it. I like to really take my time, make sure that all the dirt is gone. This has got salicylic acid, so what it will do, it will also gently exfoliate the skin, right? Can do that for about a minute. Wash off all the stress gone, dirt gone, makeup gone, everything gone. So I'm just finishing this off. I'll go and wash this off, and then you'll see the end result. So I've now washed off the cloth. I've now cleaned off the foam. Can you see? Can you see how clean my face looks? Yeah. So now, once it's dry, I'll now go in with my toner, my serum, and my moisturizer. Everything is going to now go in really well, and it's going to sit because my face is now clean. So that's double cleansing. So that's the best way to get your face clean. Not just once. To double cleanse, you first cleanse with an oil cleanser that will break down all the makeup and the sunscreen. You will actually feel the grains, and then once you've done that, like you saw I did, then you go in with the cleansing foam, and you go in with your toner and your moisturizer and your serum and all the other good stuff. Yeah. Bye.